back to our channel. If you're new here, my name is Mahith.
And my name is Megha.
Today we're going to be seeing how pottery is done. Let's go! It's amazing to see how this potter converts a piece of clay into a beautiful vessel. He is now adding a design to it. It is now ready to be taken out. It's time for another one. They also have a beautiful collection of handmade statues and decoration items. Look at these are all handmade. Look how cute this is. This is really wonderful. You should also visit this place when you get a chance. We will add the location of this place in the comments. We hope you liked this video. If you did, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. See you soon with another video. Bye!